How cloud failures are isolated. Cloud systems are built from many interconnected components. Failures are inevitable, but they are not allowed to spread freely. Isolation limits the impact of failures. Here is how cloud failures are isolated. Isolation starts with defined boundaries. Cloud platforms define clear operational boundaries. These boundaries separate physical infrastructure, logical resources, service components. Boundaries determine how far a failure can spread. Failures are contained within fault domains. Resources are grouped into fault domains. A fault domain represents a set of components that may fail together. Failures inside one domain are prevented from affecting others. This containment reduces system-wide impact. Redundant components absorb failures. Isolation works alongside redundancy. When one component fails, redundant components take over, service continues operating. Redundancy allows failures to be absorbed without disruption. Traffic is redirected away from failures. Cloud systems monitor component health continuously. When a failure is detected, traffic is redirected. Unhealthy components are removed from service. Redirection happens automatically and quickly. State is protected from failed components. Critical state is not stored in a single location. Data is replicated and separated from execution. This prevents failed components from corrupting or losing state. State isolation supports safe recovery. Services are restarted in isolation. Failed services are restarted independently. Restarting one service does not require restarting the entire system. Isolation allows targeted recovery. This limits downtime and disruption. Resource limits prevent cascading failures. Cloud platforms enforce resource limits. Limits prevent a failing component from consuming excessive resources, starving other components, causing broader instability. Limits are a form of failure isolation. Isolation enables controlled degradation. When failures exceed capacity, systems degrade gracefully. Some functionality may be reduced while core services remain available. Isolation ensures degradation is controlled rather than chaotic. Isolation is tested continuously. Cloud platforms regularly test isolation mechanisms. Failures are simulated to verify. Boundaries hold, recovery works, impact remains limited. Testing ensures isolation remains effective over time. Closing cloud failures are expected but carefully contained. Through boundaries, redundancy, and automation, failures are isolated to protect the system. That is how cloud failures are isolated.